Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley. Welcome to my channel. I have another unboxing for you, but it's actually an unbagging. Universal Yarn sent me a beautiful bag of yarn to share with you. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. Oh, okay. So this is part of their spring collection. I'm going to make a lot of noise with the plastic while I get it open. I'll try and be quick. This is crazy. Look how massive this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. This is huge. This is like bigger than my head. Okay, Revolutions from Universal Yarn. Let's see, hand wash, lay flat to dry. What's it made out of? It does have a crochet gauge on it. Okay, 50% acrylic, 15% nylon, 10% alpaca, 10% wool, and of course, can you guess why it's fuzzy? Mohair, 8% mohair. So this yarn is a little bit of everything, and because it's acrylic, then it's really durable, but because it also has wool and alpaca, it's going to be very warm. So let's see here, made in Turkey. This color is called Harmony, and it goes from like a blush color to a bluish gray color to like a white gray color. And let me pull apart a little bit for you so you can see, but it's mohair, so it's got that halo effect. It's got that hazy, fuzzy, comfortable, sweet, warm, cozy feel to it. So it's very fun. Look at this. How many yards? Let's see if we can find out how many yards. 612 yards. So I'm guessing that this is probably like a size 3 weight because of the halo around, the fuzz halo around the strand, the central strand. Very fascinating. So they want you to use a size J hook. Oh wow, okay. So that's even like a bulky is what, I don't see like an actual weight on it, but if they're suggesting a J hook, then they want it to be kind of loose and airy, and use a nice big fat hook with this. Fascinating. Tell me what you think I should make out of this. What would you make out of it? 612 yards. So it's a cake yarn, but it's a whole new animal. Nothing I've ever seen before. Fascinating. It does, feels like an animal. Real soft. I love animals. Okay, let's see what else they have. Okay, they have lots of stuff, so I don't want to get too far behind. I'm going to make some noise while I open some plastic. I can get it open. Okay. Fibra Natura Unity Beyond. Made in Turkey. This is color Coral Wash is the color 205. It's a size 3 weight, hand wash, dry flat, but has both the knit and crochet gauge on it. It's wool, cotton, linen, and bamboo. Really interesting. So it looks like it's a little bit thick and thin. It's thicker in some places and thinner in other places, and it's really, really lovely. So it looks like the color change is kind of short, so it's going to really have an all over color effect with the coral and lavender and blue in this particular skein. So this is the Coral Wash color, and this is Unity Beyond. Unity because there's lots of different stuff in it. Cotton, linen, bamboo, and wool. A lot of different stuff all together. Let's see what we have next. Oh, and this one's just Unity. Okay, so this one was Unity Beyond, so multiple colors, and this one is just Unity, so it's a solid color. And it's a size 3 weight. It's all the same fiber content that was in the multicolor, but this is the solid color. And this one is called Silver Blue. So these actually coordinate really well, don't you think? So if you want a multicolor project, it looks like they spent some time making sure that the solid colors and the multicolors kind of coordinate so that you can have a colorful project and coordinate with the solid, which I love. That's really clever and smart. Okay. Rosetta Yarns Alpaculence. It's a little play on words with alpaca and opulence. It looks like alpaculence. That's hard to say. This is color 107. It's called Mother of Pearl. I'm reading the label here in case you're looking at why my eyes look so goofy. I'm reading the label upside down here. Color 107, Mother of Pearl. It's a size 1 yarn, and it has knit and crochet gauge on it. It's suggesting a size E, 3.25 millimeter hook. This looks like it has nice long color changes. Look how pretty these colors are. And it's got just a hint of shimmer on it. Very nice. And this is Rosetta yarns. All of these are part of the Universal family of yarns. So the Fibra Natura from the last group and the Rosetta yarns, they're all part of Universal. Okay, here's another, oh, this is really soft. Fibra Natura Papyrus. So this is color, let's see, what color is this? It's very soft. It feels like it's a cotton. It is 78% cotton, but 22% silk. So that explains the softness, doesn't it? And this color is really lovely. Like, I think this color, which I'm trying to find what color it is, it's called Dusty Rose 229-08, would be really flattering to many, many skin tones. So I think this is a really lovely color and yarn for a project that you would wear, like a scarf or a hat or a cowl or something that you would have next to your skin where you want a really soft yarn and the color is flattering to the skin tone. So that's what I look for when I'm gonna design a hat or a scarf or a cowl. Very nice. Very good. Okay, 2 more from Universal to come. Please like and click subscribe and comment below with what inspires you with these yarns, and see my other unboxings in the playlist so that you can see what I've unboxed from other companies as well. This is nice. Uptown DK Magics. So this is Purple Party, and it's color number 702, and it's very soft. It's a light number 3, 273 yards, anti-pilling. Let's see the fiber content. Acrylic, 100% acrylic. So these colors are really lovely, and on the back they show a little picture of what it looks like knit in stockinette stitch. So how would it look in crochet? What do you think? Should we do a swatch? Comment below and tell me what you think. What's your favorite stitch when you swatch in crochet? Do you stitch in single crochet or double crochet or treble crochet? What makes you excited to swatch a color? And with these colors, the color seems to be changing pretty rapidly. So I would tend to choose a tall stitch like a treble crochet when I'm swatching this, or even a Tunisian simple stitch, because I feel like multicolored yarns look really great when the stitches are tall. So, but very sweet, very soft. Okay, one more. Okay, thank you, Universal Yarns. I'll put the link for Universal Yarns in the description below, right next to the like and subscribe button. That's a hint. So this is Cottonwood from the Fibra Natura line of Universal Yarns. It's a really beautiful little yarn. It's very loosely spun. It's, is it cotton? Feels like, okay, 100% organic cotton, 115 yards. It's a light weight. You would use maybe a size H crochet hook. That's what they suggest for this. And I'm not sure what I would make out of this. I think it would make an excellent knitted garment. It probably would make an excellent crocheted garment as well. And so it's lovely. I'd like to know what other colors this comes in, because this isn't necessarily a color I would choose for my skin tone, but I bet it would look really fantastic on some darker skin tones or olive skin tones. So I would probably choose something a little different from mine, but this is really lovely, and you know, it's very appealing. I'm not sure what I would do with it, but it is very appealing. So leave a comment and make a suggestion on what you'd like me to swatch for you out of these Universal yarns. Thank you to Universal Yarns for sending the yarns so I could show them to you. Please like and subscribe and share, and go follow up with Universal Yarns. See you next time for the next unboxing. Thank you.